Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Brooks number SRR240 reset relay. This is a 24 volt reset relay, and this is used when you have an electric gas valve installed on the fire suppression system. The part of the system to control the fire suppression system will of course be either a mechanical gas valve or an electric gas valve, and a reset relay would be required when you have an electric gas valve. This is a 24 volt low volt version, UL listed and requiring when using an electric gas valve. There are links below this video to the wiring diagrams, which are also on the inside of the unit as well, so that they'll be there for your review. Let's go over showing you that first. And those are listed down below. Okay. This video will serve as a visual and dimensional tour of the item. A couple of screws included for securing the unit down to a junction box. The installation instructions are here. I should say that they're included with the unit, and they are linked to down below as well. Let's take a review of these at this time. Now, those installation instructions down below, which are included with it, state that the SRR240 is a manual reset, which is intended to prevent the unintended restoration of power to a gas or electrical powered appliance. In the event of a power failure or the release of a connected control switch, the reset relay interrupts power to the gas supply, or gas valve, I should say, or electrical connections otherwise, shutting down the appliance. The fuel or power on the SRR240 has been manually reset by pushing the reset switch on the face of the unit. And when the red light is on, that means power is being supplied. And when it's off, that means it's cut or not on. Okay. The installation instructions also tell you how to power the unit up. I think you're going to have your black wire going to terminal 2, neutral to 5. They want you to jump 3 and 4, or jump 3 and 4 to make sure that it works. And then, of course, once you're convinced that it works properly, connect your appliance to 3 and 4 as indicated in the installation instructions. Okay, so the concept is that when the power goes out and then it's restored, you don't want your system being actuated or your appliance being actuated with power coming onto it without manually resetting it, which is the same sort of circumstance that you'd really have in a mechanical gas valve as well. That all has to be manually reset outside of any other circumstances happening. Dimensional properties are also in the installation instructions, so let's take a look at those as well. Let's slide this back together so that we can take some basic dimensions. Okay, fairly close. They have the height of this at 5 9/16. Indeed. They have the width of the unit at 4.5. Okay, correct. Projection of the unit to the face of the button at 3 3/4, and we can gauge that on the camera. You know, I would say that would be spot on. Holes in the back for surface mounting it, and of course holes for the screws that would be included if you're going to an electrical box. The balance of the installation instructions, again, wiring information. Neutral and hot, connection to the gas valve, and control switch are there as well. Note number 2, telling you how to test it prior to activating the system. 3 and 4 go to the control switch. 1 and 5 obviously power the gas valve. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Brooks products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Brooks SRR240 24-volt DC appliance reset, or any other Brooks product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you very much.